Imagine a world, not of silent, isolated objects, but a world where things communicate. Your watch talks to your phone. A giant factory machine sends updates. This is the dawn of connected intelligence. We call these networks the Internet of Things, and its powerful sibling, the Industrial Internet of Things. Let's explore these invisible connections. These concepts, IoT and IIoT, sound complex, but they are built on a simple idea, taking ordinary objects and machines, giving them a digital voice, allowing them to sense their surroundings, to share information across networks, to make decisions, sometimes on their own. It's about weaving a web of data, a web that can transform how we live and how our industries operate. Think of it as an extension of our senses. Before, a machine was just a machine. A light switch was just a switch. Now they can gather data. They can respond to commands remotely. They can learn and adapt. This isn't science fiction anymore. It is the reality unfolding around us. A silent digital revolution. This journey into connected devices is vast. It spans from your wrist to massive power plants, from your kitchen to global supply chains. Both IoT and IoT use similar core technologies, yet their applications, their scale, and the impact of their success or failure can be worlds apart. Join me as we unravel these threads. Understanding them helps us understand our future. Let us first consider the Internet of Things, the IoT as it's often called. This is the network of everyday physical objects, things you use in your daily life, your home, your car, even your clothes. These items are embedded with sensors, with software and connectivity. They can collect and exchange data, making them smart and responsive, transforming them into active participants. Consider your home now a smart home. Your lights might turn on as you approach. Guided by your phone's location, your thermostat learns your preferred temperature, adjusting itself to save energy. Your refrigerator could track your groceries, maybe even suggest a shopping list. These are IoT devices working in concert, making your life more convenient, more efficient, and perhaps more fun. Wearable technology is another common example. Your smartwatch tracks your steps, your heart rate, it delivers messages from your phone, it might even monitor your sleep patterns. Connected cars can navigate traffic better, they can provide entertainment and safety features. Even your city can be smart, with connected traffic lights to ease congestion, or smart bins that signal when they are full. The impact of IoT on individuals is profound. It offers unprecedented convenience and control. We gain access to more information about ourselves and our environment. It automates mundane tasks, freeing up our time and mental energy. IoT devices learn our habits. They aim to anticipate our needs, creating a more personalized and responsive world. A world that almost seems to think with us. Now let's shift our gaze to something much larger in scale, the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT. This is where connectivity meets heavy industry. Think of factories, power grids, and transportation. Huge, complex systems become interconnected, machines, sensors, and analytical software, all communicating with each other to optimize massive operations. This is industry, supercharged by data. In a smart factory, IIoT is the backbone. Sensors on machinery predict when maintenance is needed, before a costly breakdown occurs. This is called predictive maintenance. Robots on an assembly line can adjust their tasks, based on real-time data from other parts of the process. Quality control can be automated and enhanced, using cameras and sensors that detect tiny flaws, all leading to greater efficiency and less waste. Consider the energy sector. IIoT can help manage the power grid, making it more resilient and efficient. Sensors on wind turbines can optimize blade angles to capture the most wind energy. In logistics, IoT tracks shipments globally, providing real-time location and condition data, ensuring goods arrive safely and on time. These are not small conveniences, these are critical industrial advancements. The IIoT empowers industries. It allows them to harness vast amounts of data generated by their own equipment. This leads to smarter decisions, improved safety for workers, reduced operational costs, and the creation of new, innovative services. The IoT is not just about connecting machines, it's about transforming entire industrial landscapes, making them more intelligent and sustainable. So, IoT and IoT, what binds them? At their core, they share a common foundation. Both involve connecting physical things to the internet and to each other. They both use sensors to gather data, networks to transmit that data, and software to analyze it, to find meaning. The goal is often similar: to improve, to make processes more efficient or lives easier, through the power of information. Think of them as different applications of the same fundamental technology, like using electricity to light a home, IoT, or to power a massive factory, IIoT. The underlying principles of connection are the same: data collection, communication, analysis, action. Both strive for a kind of awareness, making dumb objects smarter, allowing them to participate in a larger system, whether that system is your personal life or a global industry. However, the differences are crucial, and they are significant. The scale is one major distinction. IoT devices are often numerous but smaller. IIoT involves large, complex, expensive machinery. The consequences of failure also differ vastly. If your smart toaster breaks, it's an annoyance. If an IIoT system in a chemical plant fails, the results could be catastrophic, involving safety, environmental damage, and huge financial loss. This leads to different priorities. IoT demands extreme reliability and security. Systems must be incredibly robust. Precision and accuracy are paramount. Downtime is often unacceptable. IoT, while needing security, can sometimes tolerate a bit more flexibility, a bit less rigor. Its focus is typically on user experience, on convenience and personal benefit. IoT focuses on operational excellence and risk mitigation. In essence, IoT enhances individual lives. It brings smartness to our homes and gadgets. IIoT, on the other hand, revolutionizes industries. It optimizes manufacturing, energy, healthcare, and more. Your smartwatch helps you track your fitness. A sensor in a jet engine helps keep it flying safely. Both are born from the idea of connection, but they serve different masters, different scales, each profoundly shaping our modern cosmos, one personal, one industrial, both transformative.